Hello everyone, welcome to Sharda Cook. Today we are going to make chocolate cake in sandwich toaster. It's very quick and very easy to make. So let's start. For this we require 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of butter, half can of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and half cup of Coke. You can also take water or milk in substitution of Coke, and chocolate chips. So we'll start the preparation. Firstly, we're going to take condensed milk. Next, add in butter. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Okay, so now we're going to beat it at the low level, at low speed until it gets nice and creamy. Okay, so now on the side we are going to mix our dry ingredients. For that we are taking all-purpose flour, mixed in cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and just mix them well. Okay, so now just add in vanilla essence and condensed milk. Give it a mix. Now slowly add in your dry ingredients and then add in just a little bit of Coke and then give it a mix. Now again add in your dry ingredients and then again a little bit of Coke and again give it a mix. So it's going to be like a little bit of dry ingredients and then Coke, then again dry ingredients and Coke. This is the reason, just because so that everything is mixed well and there are just no lumps. And then finally, last batch of dry ingredients and Coke. So we are basically adding in parts the ingredients. So this is the required consistency. You can see, so you can just add more or less of Coke to get the desired consistency. So if it is a bit stiff, you can add more Coke to get this consistency. Okay, so now the fun part. We are taking a sandwich toaster and we have preheated it and greased it with some butter. So now take your batter, fill in just a little bit of amount. Do not fill it all the way. And now just top it with some chocolate chips. You can also add nuts if you like. And now again the batter on the top. And spread it all the way. And now cover it and now bake it for about 3 minutes and then we'll check in 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, it looks so good. So now we are just gonna flip it over. And now again cover it and cook it for another 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes now. So after 2 minutes we are going to just insert a toothpick and it comes out clear. That means your cake is nicely baked inside. And if it doesn't come out clear, you can keep it for another 1 minute. So our chocolate cake in sandwich toaster is ready. You can see it is looking so nice, spongy and soft. And you can just see it from inside. Nice and spongy and so soft, and the chocolate chips are nicely melted inside. So it took hardly 5 minutes and you can see such a quick and easy cake to make, and just in 5 minutes in sandwich toaster. It tastes really good and it's nice and soft and spongy and delicious cake. You can actually enjoy it in your breakfast or whenever you're attempting to have a cake. It's really easy and quick. So if you like this video, do try it, and if you liked it, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.